Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Royce, and in this video I'm just going to show you real quick how to pair your HomePod with your Apple TV. And it's actually pretty easy. So what you do is go to Settings, and you go to Video and Audio, scroll down to Audio Output, and select your HomePod. And that's it. And of course, all this needs to happen after you've paired your HomePod with your phone. But after that, the setup is really that simple. And then you can enjoy your favorite movies with that HomePod sound.
Reload the clip.
So can the HomePod replace the sound system you already have installed? Probably not. But if you're like me and you have no sound system for your TV and the audio is just coming out of your TV, then the HomePod is actually awesome for that. So it's not just for music, not just a smart assistant, but it's also a great speaker for your TV. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And again, my name's Royce, and thank you so much for watching.